If you go in settings and then go in focus modes, you will see the sleep mode as well. Go in here, you can turn it on, you can schedule it, you can select the watch face, and here this will be the sleep watch face that comes on, or you can select any other watch face that you have installed on the watch, which will be the default watch face when the sleep mode is on. In the schedule, I have it set to turn on at 10 p.m. and turn off at 6 a.m. and it works like a charm. You can also select some other settings here, so you can select whether you want to receive notifications during the sleep mode, daily summary, any alerts. Then if you keep scrolling, you get to sounds. So whether you want to receive any alert tones, button tones, volume, then you can select display and brightness settings in the sleep mode. So you have brightness, always on display, wake on alert, wake on gesture, timeout mode, you can select that. You can select the color shift from here as well. So there it is, mode, which is set to red. From the focus modes, you can also add specific modes like a standard mode or activity mode, and you can set them up. You can select an icon here, select colors, and then you can select different notification, sound, and display settings for that specific mode.